design for non-designers. Hello, hi, welcome to my channel if it's the first time you land here. I'm Justine Lemmer, I am a brand designer in the US, and here on YouTube I love to talk about everything graphic design, branding, apps for designer, for non-designer. And in today's video, this is all for non-designers, so if you would love to do some quick graphic design but do not know how to use Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and all of that Creative Cloud apps, I got your back. We are talking about Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Have you heard about Canva? Have you heard about GoDaddy? Other app, previously called Other app. Today, it's all about Adobe Creative Cloud Express, which is almost the same as those two other platforms that I talked about already on my channel. But since Adobe just released this amazing tool, I think it will be nice to talk about it. So what I'm going to do is take my iPad, but you can download it for free on your phone, iPad, or even going into your desktop. You can create an Adobe Creative Cloud account for free as well, and you will have a little of a space to create libraries and have a Adobe account, and you don't have to pay for anything, but at least you have it so you can have your project saved. And if you decide to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud Express, you will be able to use the premium feature. I do have the premium feature, so what I'm going to use might be premium features, but I will make sure to tell you if I'm using one of those. We're going to try to make everything free today. We are going to have an overview on the platform so you don't get lost when you open the app for the first time. All right, let's go to my iPad, shall we? So here we are into my iPad. I have a folder called Adobe. So here is the CC Express, so you can download it obviously on the App Store and as well on Play Store. So I'm going to click on CC Express, and when you do not have an account or you haven't logged in, it's going to ask you to log in with your Gmail or your Adobe Creative Cloud account if you decided to make one, and you will end up on this window that says create a new project. And quick overview, we've got a lot of different options here, from album covers to brochures to Facebook's posts, and here are some of the templates that you can use. So obviously the one that have a little crown over here, as you can see right here, that means those are premium template and cannot be used for free users. So you will have to have the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. How much is Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, you might ask? Well, you can start designing on CC Express for free with basic package, giving you limited access to images, templates, and storage. The premium account will cost you $9.99 a month or an annual subscription of $99.99. Now that we know how much it will cost us to have the premium options, we can keep on looking at our templates. We have a couple that's the same as Canva and GoDaddy Over. I don't even know how to call it anymore. I think it's GoDaddy Studio. That's how it's called. To have an overview, that was our home. This is our homepage. This is a plus where we can start from either solid color, Adobe Stock, Lightroom, libraries. Libraries is a premium option, and it's from your libraries from your Adobe Creative Cloud libraries if you are using other Adobe programs. Or you have your project, so if you've done something in the past, it will be into the your project section. So let's design something to try this Adobe Creative Cloud Express. I'm gonna click on the plus, and I'm going to start with an Adobe stock photo because I'm very excited about this. Let's look for a woman. So those with this little crown, again, are premium photos. But we have a couple of free photos. We have this photo that is free. This photo, this photo. Anyway, no, not this photo, this photo. So if you keep scrolling, you can find some cute photos that you can use. Let's use this one. So we're going to add it. I'm using an Apple Pencil, by the way, but you really don't have to. And here from the photo, it says, oh, let's find a size for it. Let's choose a size. So we can choose whatever size we want. That is awesome. You can move the picture. Here you go. So if you want to do a LinkedIn cover and have a our eyes or whatever. We're going to make a Instagram post. So let's resize this picture correctly. Okay. Woohoo! It automatically added a text. We might not want one, but for now, we're going to keep it and put it on the side. So what if I do not like this background? Well, you can remove the background, so that's really cool. So I clicked on the image and I have a couple of options that come: edit, adjust, looks, enhance, and that's it. So you can change some settings, saturation, warmth, done, a little bit more saturated, done. You can sharpen your image, done, perfect. You can also add some looks with duotone, grayscale, colorize, and all. You can add a blur effect, and you can keep adjusting by flipping, scaling, and all of that. So we're going to do edit still, and we're going to remove our background. That is really cool. That's an app for non-designer, you all. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click on a button. So let's do it. Remove background. Cool. And so you can restore it if you would like to. You can move freely. So we're going to do move freely. So when you tap on move freely, you can just move this lady wherever you want, pin to the background so it doesn't move, duplicate, select multiple objects. So that's kind of cool. Look at this, great job for this app. All right, I'm gonna put this lady over here. Now I want to add, so that's the other options that you can do. So obviously if you click on the text, there's other option for texting, for the text that's come. But if we want to add a background, so when you click on add here, you have lots of other options. You have your branding. If you have the premium, you can add video, background, stickers, icons, photo, designs, asset, and text. So we're gonna do background, and we have lots of different background coming our way. So what do we want for this lady? We want something simple. Look at this cute gradient. This is what we're gonna use. And do you want to pin it to the background or do you want to move it freely? We want to pin it to the background because we only want the background. Perfect. Now we have that text here, so that's cool. We will make some changes to this. But what if I want to add some spice to my design, to my Instagram post? I'm gonna go back into add, and I'm gonna go to design asset. And here you have a lot of different assets that you can add to your picture, or to your post. So let's say illustrations, retro holiday, frames, elements, fun, overlays, textures. That is really cool. So I'm gonna do trending, go back to trending, and I'm gonna add this one. That's random, that's free, add one. And as of right now, this design is over the lady, right? And you want to reorder this. And you can reorder that by going into the order here and sliding down one time because there's just one element in between. So I'm sliding on this because I want it underneath the lady. I'm gonna make it bigger, and I'm gonna rotate it, and I'm gonna even bigger and make it look like some kind of movement into this lady. Now we are going to add something else. Let's see what else we can add. We can add an icon. So yeah, all the icon. Makeup. Ooh, see, perfect. We have some makeup icon we can use. They are all free apparently, so that's kind of cool. We want this. I don't think that's gonna be great in our design, but we are able to use it, and we can change the color, I believe. Yeah, here you go. Change the color of this. Let's make it red. Yeah, you can also click again on that color, and you can actually use the real color that you wanted. So let's say I want. You can also blend it, change the opacity, whatever you want. You can also add a sticker. So a sticker is like, it's powered by Giphy, and if you have a Giphy account and you have your own stickers, you can find them there, or you can just get one from here. Let's say we're gonna do a makeup again. Let's see what's come up with. We have some cute stuff that we can use. So I like the eyebrow. Yeah, so that's quite nice. So you can add that to your design. You are able to resize if you have the premium subscription. And so now we're going to take care of our text. So I do not know what I'm gonna write, but start at beauty. Okay, and we do not want to use this font. So here are all the things we can do. We can edit, we can find a font. So you have so much, and if you have a Creative Cloud account, you can use Adobe fonts. You have all the Adobe fonts access over here. That's great. Let's say I want all clean, downloading from Adobe fonts. I do not want this color, so I'm gonna text. You can use the same color that I use for this guy. You can use white. I'm gonna use the same color. I'm not trying to be perfect. And then we can also change the spacing from the lines. So I want this a little bit closer. You can move the tracking and kerning. It says layer and line here. You can align the text. That's great. You can curve the text. It changes the font because it doesn't like it. You can do magic text, rotate the text, drop cap, grid. That is so awesome. All right, we only want to have it like that. We already did our spacing. What is style? We cannot do style. What is style? Oh, style, if you rotate this, it's just changing if you want to, you have no idea how to style. Design, for non-designer, you guys, the app does it for you. Like, oh, I like that, cool. I want to change the color again. I didn't like this one. Perfect, make this even bigger. Starlight Beauty, ooh. I didn't even do nothing, that was great. And you can also animate your design. What? So when I say animate the text, or you can animate your text, can you animate your photo? Or you can animate your photo, look, zoom. Look at this, gray. So it comes gray and the color are coming little by little. Same with blur, look at this, go. Color, and we're going to do the same. Oh, can you only do the photo? Okay, all right, can we preview? Let's preview with that little play button here. Or you cannot do both of them. Oh, you might not be able to do both of them, you guys. Either you do the, so something, Adobe, listen to me. Add the fact that you can animate both the photo and please the text at the same time. So let's do the photo instead because I really like that. Done and yeah. Alright, now you want to save it or add it to Instagram or whatever. You go there, you do share project as video animation, done. And you can save the video, shareable template, make a template, a shareable template. It's cool. We have to look into this next time. I'm just gonna save the video into my camera roll and boom, done. Did you learn a lot today? If you learn something today, you've got to let me know because I will make more of those videos. I hope this overview was maybe not quick but easy to understand. If you would like to have more video like this and you wish to learn more about Adobe Creative Cloud Express, please let me know in the comment down below so I will make more and I will help you understand the app even more because there's so much that you can do. Obviously every app has their down and their up and it always comes with an update, so if you encounter any issue, know that nothing can't be fixed. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you next week. Until next time, take care, bye.